If the new Nokia 8 Sirocco is the aspirational supercar of HMD's new phone lineup, then the Nokia 7 Plus is the more sensible alternative that'll almost certainly be the bigger seller. It packs a metal chassis that's both functional and eye-catching, along with dual Zeiss cameras, and runs the same excellent Android One software as all new Nokia smartphones. That's a healthy helping of technology and design for your €400, and one that might appeal to Android purists seeking a less expensive alternative to the Pixel 2 XL. The finish of the 7 Plus's aluminium unibody is not unlike the Pixel's, though with sharper corners and more ostentatious orange accents. There's a stealthy black version that feels great, but I'm more a fan of the brilliant white finish here. With a 6-inch display diagonal, 18:9 aspect ratio, and stylish rounded corners, the front of this thing is also in keeping with the cutting edge of Android. Inevitably though, when you're selling a phone for around half the price of a Pixel 2 XL, something's gotta give. And in this case you'll have to make do with a Snapdragon 660 processor. That said, I didn't notice any real difference in day-to-day performance in my admittedly brief time with the phone. The 660 paired with 4GB of RAM was just as responsive in everyday apps as the leading 800 series. Part of that's thanks to the great Android One software that brings a clean Google-centric experience and the promise of 2 years of platform updates. Oh, and by the way, Nokia is shipping this with the very latest Android 8.1, so you're right up to date out of the box. Plus, the 600 series chips are renowned for their power efficiency, which bodes really well considering the Nokia 7 Plus also includes a hefty 3800 mAh battery. Android One straddles the line between where we were with Nexus phones a couple of years back and the Pixel phones of today. You don't get all the hardware tricks of a Pixel, but you do get a clean software experience and speed in abundance. On the imaging side, the 7 Plus steps up to a dual 12 megapixel setup not unlike the 8 Sirocco, so 2 cameras, 1 standard, 1 telephoto, utilising f1.75 and f2.6 lenses. There's no optical stabilisation, but the Zeiss branded optics and full-featured camera software should make it competitive for the price point. We tested it briefly in both outdoor and indoor light and it seems promising, but it's way too early to say anything for sure. We'll have to wait until the Nokia 7 Plus lands in April before we know how well the package as a whole will turn out, but so far it looks like an impressive addition to the always interesting affordable flagship category. That's it for now. Be sure to subscribe for more on all the other Android flagships landing here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.